Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl and today I have a brand new, to me anyway, service to share with you guys, and it's called Ellie. This is actually a activewear service, and it's not like your typical like Stitch Fix where you're assigned a personal stylist styling service. This service actually has a number of collections that you can go online and pick out your own style that you like to have sent to you monthly. So the price is $39.95 per month. You do get 3 items. You can pause or cancel at any time. And so I've really been looking lately for a fun activewear service, because who doesn't love to go to the gym wearing a cute new gym outfit? I mean, we all love it. It makes it a little easier to go. It gives you that little extra bit of motivation that you need to get up and get ready and get in the gym and get it done for the day. So I looked this up online. I will leave information in the description box below. This is my first box. This is my first time receiving it, so I am really excited to see what the quality of the items are going to be like. I've read a number of reviews. They have gotten really good reviews. So without further ado, let's just get into the box. Isn't the box darling? It's like a rose gold reflective, very, very pretty presentation with the box. So you open it up, and inside, there goes all my information falling out into the floor. You do get information about what you've purchased. So while you can get current collections that you can pick from, you can also go online, and on their website they offer past collections as well. So you can search those and see what you like. Here are some, I don't know if that's going to focus really good. Here are some of the different styles available. So there's a number of different colors and styles. If you like capri length leggings or full length leggings, if you like certain colors, if you like darker colors, lighter colors, whatever you like, there, you're definitely going to be able to find something that tickles your fancy on their website that you would like to receive. There is a bigger box, I believe, up from the one that I purchased. Like I said, this one was $39.95. You get 3 items. I think there's a larger box where you can also put in add-ons. So like if you wanted to add like gym gloves or a sports bottle or something like that, you could definitely go to the next size larger box. So I received just information about the shipment that I picked up. You do go in and you set up what sizes that you want to receive. So yeah, I think that they've actually sent me an extra, a free extra actually. It's I think this is a water bottle. Let's just open it up and see. Cute little, oh, it's so darling. It's like the blush pink, and it says Ellie on it. It's like a swell. Oh my goodness, I love that. That is so cute. So yeah, so that was a freebie. That is so cool. All right, so everything comes to you individually wrapped. Let me just break into these bad boys. So you can return or exchange based on size if you need to. I picked up in this set, I can't remember the name of my set. I'm not sure. I'll leave it in the description box below. I simply can't remember. It's been too long. This is the sports bra in gray with a cute little detailing on the back. Isn't that darling? Love that. All right, and then I also got a little tank. It's like a little pink cotton tank. Isn't that neat? With that, like the strappies on the back. Love that. And then the leggings that I picked up, I did get the full length leggings, and these are in like a gray. It looks like they have like a high waist and like some laser cutouts in the legs. That's very interesting. So yeah, I will go try these on, and I will be back to show you what they look like on in just a second, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the entire outfit on. I looked back in my information and it is called the Steal the Show collection outfit. So it is the light pink, very lightweight cotton tank with the beautiful detailing on the shoulders and on the back. The leggings are like a steel gray. They do have like laser cutouts at the thigh and at the calves. They are high-waisted. They have an okay amount of compression. They aren't like my Gymsharks or even my Lululemon for that matter, but they do have a decent amount of compression. I think that the matching sports bra complements the back nicely with the little pants. So yeah, that's the three pieces on. I think I'll definitely try this service again. For $39.95 to get 3 pieces, I think that's a pretty good deal. So yeah. Okay, so final thoughts on the Ellie Activewear box are probably gonna get this service again. I think it's really cute. You get 3 pieces for $39.99, and this little free cute little water bottle was included. So I really do like the top. I really do think that it's going to be cute and functional in the gym. I can't wait to get to the gym and try it out. And anyway, so that about does it for today's video. I'll leave all the information below, everything that I have for you, a link and all the information on how to get your own Ellie box. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it immensely. If you would consider subscribing to my channel, it would be awesome if you would. And so until next time, I'll see you next time. Bye.